In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem where you see the message you'll need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder. First things first, find the folder that's causing this error message. Once located, right-click on it. From the context menu that appears after right-clicking, select Show More Options. Now click on Properties. This will open a new window with several tabs at the top. Go to the Security tab. Here you'll see a list of groups or usernames that have permissions for this folder. To make changes, click on Advanced. Now you're in the Advanced Security settings. Click on Change, which is next to where it says Owner. In the pop-up window labeled Select User or Group, type in everyone into the text box under Enter the object name to select. Next, click on Check Names. Then click OK. Back in the Advanced Security Settings window, ensure there's a checkmark next to Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects. Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. These options ensure that ownership changes are applied throughout everything contained within this folder. Once checked, click Apply. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation. Click Yes. Then hit OK twice. Now return back to the Security tab in Properties and click on Edit. In this new dialog box that opens up, select Add. Type in again everyone, then hit Check Names. Click OK once confirmed. You'll now see everyone listed in your permissions. Make sure you put checkmarks next to all options under Allow. This grants full control over the folder for everyone associated with your system. After doing so, click Apply. Then finally hit OK again. Congratulations, you've successfully changed ownership and adjusted permissions for that stubborn folder. Now you should be able to delete it without any issues. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.